The role of circadian rhythm disruptions in maternal and fetal health, a consideration of their potential effects. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Circadian rhythms are the natural body clocks that regulate sleep, hormone release, and metabolism. During pregnancy, these rhythms are essential for the well-being of both the mother and the developing baby. However, modern lifestyles, characterized by shift work, excessive exposure to artificial light, and irregular sleep patterns, can disrupt these rhythms. Such disruptions are associated with various complications, including miscarriage, preterm birth, and low birth weight. Additionally, misalignment of circadian rhythms may negatively impact fetal brain development, increasing the risk of mental health issues and learning difficulties later in life. Melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep patterns, can play a protective role in reducing these risks. This review emphasizes the importance of maintaining stable circadian rhythms during pregnancy and suggests that lifestyle changes, along with melatonin therapy, may improve maternal and fetal health outcomes. Introduction. Circadian rhythms are the body's internal clock that follows a 24-hour cycle, largely influenced by light and darkness. During pregnancy, these rhythms are especially important because they help regulate hormones, sleep, metabolism, and even support the baby's development. Keeping these rhythms stable helps protect the mother's health and supports healthy growth in the baby. Disruptions to this natural cycle can lead to serious issues like preterm birth, low birth weight, and pregnancy complications such as gestational diabetes and high blood pressure. Modern lifestyle habits, however, often interfere with circadian rhythms. Shift work, especially night shifts, can throw off sleep patterns and reduce melatonin, a hormone important for pregnancy, leading to negative outcomes for both mother and baby. Bright lights at night, including from phones and screens, can also suppress melatonin production and disturb sleep. On top of that, high stress levels and irregular eating habits can further disrupt the body's natural rhythms, increasing health risks. These problems are more common in urban areas and among people facing financial and social challenges. Overall, keeping a stable daily routine with good sleep, light exposure, and stress management is key to a healthy pregnancy. Conclusion. Disruptions in circadian rhythms during pregnancy pose significant risks to both maternal and fetal health. Evidence shows that night shift work, irregular sleep schedules, and artificial light exposure can lead to hormonal imbalances, metabolic issues, and impaired fetal brain development. Melatonin has emerged as a promising protective agent due to its antioxidant properties and role in stabilizing the body's internal clock. To minimize risks, pregnant women are encouraged to maintain regular sleep schedules, limit evening light exposure, and adopt healthy lifestyle habits. Future research should explore the long-term effects of circadian misalignment on children and evaluate the effectiveness of melatonin therapy in improving birth outcomes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.